Alright, this is my cafe racer. Had to pour it out through the over. So now, this is what I do. These are 1/4 inch by 4 inch gas pipe, black gas pipe. I drill them out a little bit on the bottom, fit over the studs. And the top there, I top them out with a 16 by a 3/8 by 16 tap. So you can put some bolts in and hold the thing together. Then I take the old piston pin and grind it, put it on a bench grinder, grind it down a bit so it goes in easy. Use that as a spacer, and just put a long stove bolt through it, and then you can wrench that piston in there, or the pin into the piston. Now what I do is beforehand I put the new pin in and just have the piston in my hand, and I push it through inside, just maybe 1/8 of an inch protruding inside the piston. Then I try it for a second on the connecting rod, you know, to see if it goes in between, because I have a little bit of play in there. So then we put it on, you can kind of eyeball it on the other side and see where it is, but you can play around with it and you can feel it until it's, because there's a bit of play in that connection rod, you can feel it when it slips over top of that pin inside, and then you kind of hold it all together with your hand, and then just start tightening it up, and it'll slip in. So that's my take on this whole little deal here. And maybe I'll show you how to put the spiral lock clip in there. They used to have the old ones like this old 77 here. I've done it before, and it had a just a normal Jesus clip in it, but these spiral locks are Jesus clips from hell. Now you can check on YouTube, and you'll see what they've done on those spiral lock clips. But I think I've got a way to, I figured it out, played around with it, and it didn't go too bad. The first one was a bitch, but then I figured out another way to do it. So I'll try and videotape that after, and then maybe I'll put it online on there too. You basically, whatever you do, whatever method you use, make sure you run a coat hanger wire through the whole thing, and through that spiral lock, or any kind of clip really, for that matter. Because if that thing goes flying, it's gone. So whenever I got a Jesus clip or something, I always put something through it, because you don't know where it's going to go. If you can't find it, you end up thinking it's going to end up down into your crankcase, and then you don't know. But this is the best way to do this. You don't need any help. You can play around by yourself. You don't have to have your old lady help you, because you know that ends up in a fight, and she'll be walking out here with raccoon eyes and wouldn't listen twice. So you know how that goes. Never have your old lady help you. Just fuck around by yourself down here. You don't need any help. The thing just sits there. You can play around. Take your time. That's all. Good luck with that.